computer, I'm not able to put it. Anytime in the day, I need your help. The Microsoft to do and SurveyMonkey how to do and all. Some small doubts.
Okay. But yeah, see, you by doing these things, regularly only you will learn.
Yes.
Yeah.
Doing it. Trial and error method, I'm doing it.
You are at least better than Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar was, very bad, but now Chandrasekhar has improved.
Yeah.
He has improved. But by doing only. So nobody is teaching him also. His son is not teaching him. I am not teaching him. Right? He is going to classes. But even after going to classes, then lockdown started. Then he is not able to go regularly. So he has been facing a lot of problems.
So for classes, I have seen that there is a app called Udemy.
Udemy, correct. Yes.
Each and every topic you pick up, and every topic.
They
all the lectures are available on that.
Yeah, some 99 rupees or something you have to give, no?
Yeah, recently I saw it was at 350 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah, very, very cheap.
Right. Okay, we have now how many? We have got some people now, 13 people. So we'll see for another 2-3 minutes. So Gopinath also, I think, finished his survey monkey. Mahesh has not joined. Mahesh have to join. One Mahesh is not well actually. So he has been messaging me. Mahesh Junior.
Prasad is also not there.
Anand, good morning. Yeah, Prasad also is not there. Yes.
It's a good day, sir.
Good morning. How is Chetan's how is Chetan's session going on? Hi, good morning, Ashley. Your phone issues are solved or not? Still. No, I think you have to remove the earphone and then talk. We could not hear you at all. Chandrasekhar is asking, you have to share the app. Which app, Chandrasekhar, you are asking? Which one are you asking?
Udemy is asking.
Udemy, Udemy.
Yes. All courses are available on that.
Udemy course is available.
You want to learn Excel, presentation, PPT file, anything. Interior, drawing, anything, any damn thing you name it.
But all that is available in YouTube also.
Yeah. And not that it is fake, means proper teachers are available.
Right. So first thing,
I've learned Reiki from that.
Okay. Chandrasekhar,
daughter has learned drawing. She learns interior. She learns many different things she wants to, because it's 350 rupees or 320 rupees or 600 rupees. Okay. The scheme goes on. Means sometimes it is 15,000 rupees, but within 2-3 days the scheme comes and it is available at 600 rupees. So she takes it and does it.
Okay. Chandrasekhar, what you can do is you can go to YouTube. From YouTube, you can see. It is all available. Everything is available.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will start now. Today, what I'll do is I'll touch on two things. The first one is SurveyMonkey. I'm seeing that a lot of people are finding it difficult to, particularly, get into that address part of it and all that, and they are not moving to the next page. Everything is being done in one page. So if everything is done in one page, what happens is 90% people will not fill up. the buyers will not fill up because there is a column on brokerage, which they want to keep it personally when they want to talk. Okay, but when it is moving from one page to the other page, what will happen is they would have committed up to 9. So instead of 90% rejection, now you will probably get only 50% rejection. Even now, I'm not saying that everybody will fill up. Out of 10 people, 5 people will fill up when you have it in page wise. Okay, but when you have in one page, 9 people will not fill up that. Why? What is the reason is that they don't want to commit. It's as simple as that. So, but we don't want to do business who don't commit. So we have to make them work under our terms. So for that, in a polite manner, we have to keep following up. We will send the form. He will not fill up. The next day you call up. The next day you will say, okay, but next day he will not fill up. Third day you call up again and tell him that, okay, sir, don't worry. I think you're having a problem in filling up. I'll help you in filling up. Okay. So one main thing is that what is important there is we want to know when the business associate can come and meet you. So that is the reason that I've called you, right? Can I come over and meet? So then you go meet there, take the mobile app with you, and the mobile itself, you can just make fill up all those details in front of him. Okay, and then he sends it from his mobile. You do it. Okay, that's about it. But that is required to make him commit. And then like what yesterday Chetan also was talking about, client registration form. It is the same thing. At least, you know, like he said, that is also a very good way. Supposing that SurveyMonkey is not working out, then you take the client registration form, fill it up, and then take a photograph and send it to him. Okay, this has to happen. Now I'm going to teach you on how the SurveyMonkey can be done. I'll take Gopinath has done one, SurveyMonkey this thing, but he has not done it correctly. So I'm going to correct him using his username and password. Can you all see this? Screen is fine?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now it is opened by default, my one. So I'm going to say no.
उदक दिलं आम्ही
Sudesh, please mute yourself. Sudesh, mute yourself. Gopinath, you change your password later on. Tell me, what is the password?
Sir, it's a capital M.
Okay, monkey, no? Monkey.
Yeah. Monkey, 7 star.
I tried that. No. Open. No.
Oh.
Gopinath KRP is correct?
Yes, correct, sir.
Okay, enter your password is not happening. Okay, okay. Can anyone else give me your email ID and password? You change it later on.
1 second, sir.
Narayan, can you just give me yours? Hello. Anyone else? Can you give me?
Hello. I don't. Yeah, Narayan here.
Give me.
Yeah, it is Real Estate Goa.
Real estate Goa.
Password is Narayan.
Real estate Goa is here.
Only, only the username. Password is Narayan. 1976.
Yeah. Okay, now my service. So he's already done one. Okay. Now usually this create survey will come here. You see on top it is there, create survey. Okay. So create survey is the one which you are actually going to do. So for property buying you are doing one. Then for seller you are doing one. Owner you are doing one. Then a tenant you are doing one. Okay. Then supposing prospecting, you want to do prospecting. For that also you can do one prospecting. So like that you can keep on doing as many surveys as possible. So let us try to do one survey. Okay. Okay. Now what has happened? We have got start from the scratch. Okay. So you can either copy from the past or you can start from the scratch. And now I am going to start from the scratch. Survey name, I am going to do prospect. Okay, I'll do prospect. So prospect means you are making some cold, calling, or you are actually messaging to somebody whom you don't know. Okay, put it as other. Okay, then one question at a time. Create survey. Okay, now you are going to make one new question, which new question is already there. Now in this new question, normally what you write is here, I think you're writing full name. Okay, instead of that, you just go, you need complete address. Okay, you just put contact information here. You go to this right side, you will find here, where is that? Page title. Page title is prospect. Page description you can give if you want to, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, save. Then new question is there. Click on the right side, you've got multiple choice. This is by default, it will come. So you have to go to the drop down and then select here contact information. Okay. If you do that contact information, automatically all these things are filled up. Name, company, address, and all those things is filled up. Now, so many things he will not fill up. So you also don't want all those details. You don't want his address and all that. So what we can do is we can remove that address, address 1, address 2, but we want to know which city he is from. Okay. Company, if you want to have, you have, otherwise you can knock it off. Okay. Then city, town is there. State, we don't require. Then postal code, let it be there. Okay. Country is not required. Email address is required. Phone number is required. Okay. Then you are going to save. Okay. Please fill up the following field. Okay. Save. Now this first question is saved. Only they see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are asking only name, city, postal code, email address, and phone number. Okay. Now you come down here. There is something called new page. Okay. Now usually what you would have done is you would have put new question here. If you put new question here, it will come in one page only. Now, if you want to move to the second page, right? Now this is how you should do. New page. So now it moves on to the next page now, automatically. Okay.
Just a quick question. Whatever survey I have done, can it be changed to that next page, or I have to redo the survey?
You have to redo that.
Now I cannot change it for next page.
You can change it also. You can change it, but what happens is Okay, I'll try to do that. Okay, this I will do this and then I'll change it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now next question I'm now entering. Okay. Are you in the lookout? Are you in the lookout for a property purchase? Okay. Here you want drop down option. Okay. You just say yes, no. Okay. That's all. Yes or no. Let him say yes or no. Maybe, give you and all is not required. Either let him say yes or no. Fine. We don't want anything else. Save this. Okay. And then go to new page here. Now automatically previous page, next page will come at the bottom. Then this is the next page. Next you can go to third question. So like this you can move on. This is as far as one question in one page is required. Now I will go to correcting his page now. Okay, now this I'll this you can also edit it later on the way I'm editing now. Okay, next is over. Okay, now you see this is the first page. You clear next page. So next page drop down option has come. Yes, no, right? And then next, no other question is there because I have not entered anything. Then if you say done, the questionnaire is over. Okay. But now I will go to collect responses. Now here is the doubtful thing that you will have. Target your ideal respondents is there in this, and here send surveys your way. You have to choose this only because this is payable. In this you have to pay money. Okay, so select this one. You click this. Then you got various options here. Okay, in that you just try to get this get web link. Now your link is available. Okay, that's about it. Copy this and start sending it to everybody. Okay, so this is as far as new survey to be created is concerned. Now how to edit my old surveys?
Sridhar sir, you can also tell them about the validation part.
Huh?
Validation part. For example, a particular question has to be entered mandatory.
Oh yeah. Okay. It has to be entered. Fine.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
The phone number,
Yes.
email ID is compulsory.
Yes. No, everything. In fact, you can make here more actions. Okay.
Yes.
Go to more actions. And here require questions is there. See this, if you press it, require questions means he cannot move out without answering this. He cannot move to the next question. So he has to fill up this question anyway. Okay. So that is this require questions. So whatever question that you are definitely you want it, then you make sure that it is mentioned there. This you click it. Okay. Next one is now you have to know unrequired.
So for every question, you have to select that option.
Every question you have to select.
Okay.
You have to select that whether you want it or not. So if you don't want it, it's okay. If it doesn't fill up also, it's fine. Means it's fine. You can leave it. Okay. So now let's go to your existing survey. How to edit that? Now this is open. My survey. Yeah, this property buying is yours. Correct? Now click this design survey. Now what you have done is your name, your full name, what property you have done, everything is there, right? Okay. Edit. Okay. Now what you are going to do? New page. Okay, you have done new page now. And in that new page, now nothing is there. Okay. Now every time, now we have to do, I'll just show one after because it's going to take a long time. Every time you have to do for every question you have to do now new page. You have to go there and then again new page. Okay, now you got 2 new pages now. Now go back to design survey. Okay. Now what has happened? You have to edit this. Okay, more actions. Move page is there. Okay. This move page should come to after page 1. This is there, right? Now you click it. Apply, say apply. Okay. Then where is the save option? Move.
Save option illa sir.
Yes. Now correct. Now you see, page 1 position after 1 move question. Moving question. Okay. So now it has moved to second page. Third one, now after all this done only it will come, it will show you now because you already done it like this. But once you save everything, then it will show you 1, 1, 1. Supposing, I have done this kind of, same adjustments. I moved, actually my 5th question, I wanted the 5th question to come to 3rd question. So I can move the 5th question to 3rd question after the 2nd one. This is how you have to keep moving.
If I have to add one question in between, I can add also.
You can add also. What you have to do is, but maximum you can ask to have only 10 questions.
Only 10.
Only 10. Maximum 10 questions.
Achha, okay.
After 10, it will not accept. After 10, if you want more, then you have to pay.
Paid version.
No, paid version you can get more than 10. So your question should be, and even for them also, it is too many questions will be a problem for them. Correct. Okay, now at least you know, supposing Narayan, you try this, I have not shown you this. You try this yourself and see whether you are successful. Supposing you are not successful, delete this, no problem.
Okay.
And
Okay.
redo the whole thing.
Yeah, I'll do that.
From the beginning. Now
Yeah,
you know how to do from 1 to 2 and all.
Yeah.
Okay. Question to others, everybody is clear now. Gopinath, are you clear now how to make it?
Yes, sir. But the problem is I don't see that options in my mobile phone because I'm accessing phone. That's the reason we don't get more options there.
See, my request to you is, my advice, in fact, to you is, you somehow find out any nearby, computer center, internet center.
Yeah, I'll do that, sir.
Because, I'll tell you why. This is not going to be the only thing. Now, you see, we should get into Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So many tools are there, which I'm going to teach you one by one. Okay.
Okay.
So all that if you have to learn, unless you have a computer, it's going to be very tough.
Oh, no, I already know there to browsing center.
Yeah, browsing center is best. You can go spend there about 1 hour every day and do all the computer work and then move on to the field after that.
Okay, sir. I'll do that, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So this is over. Now we will move out of summary.
Questions option change agutala sir, person to person.
Huh?
question options change ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ person to person.
Like, for example?
Suppose ನೀವು ಒಂದು question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ, yes or no, maybe ಅದು. That we can change however we want or what?
But ultimately, what is the whole idea? The whole idea is that
how to get the perception from the customer.
You should get the information.
Correct.
The question that you are asking, the question that you are asking should give you the invalid information that you. That is what is important. Question may be in your own style. You can ask any question, no problem.
As you said, instead of Survey Monkey, we can do client form also.
Client form also you can do.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, client form. See, client form is. Client form means definitely you have to go meet him, and then only client form can be filled up.
Okay.
Survey Monkey form, for that your client meeting is not required. You can just send it by WhatsApp. Okay, and he fills up the form.
Client form also can be sent through WhatsApp, no sir?
No, that he will not fill up. How he has to take client form? How he can fill up? You tell me. It is a photo that you are sending. So it is a photo. How he will fill up? He has to take a printout, and then he will not take so much of trouble and all.
As you said, surveymonkey.com, we can send through WhatsApp, or he can fill it up.
He can fill it up there because he can open from his mobile phone also and then fill it up.
Got it.
Sir, one small question.
Yeah.
How to copy the link?
How to copy the link? Oh, okay. Fine. Good. Right. I'll go there again. Real estate, Goa. Narayan. 1976, right? Okay. Okay, prospect. Send a copy is here like this one. Okay. Alternatively, the web link now it is already created. So already created, that is one way. Otherwise, normally it comes like this. Okay. It just see your copy is there.
Okay.
Just copy this. Okay. Now I'm opening a new browser. New browser is coming up.
Yeah.
So now I'm pasting it here. It comes like this.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Actually, if we go into paid version, here we can have our logo. Logo can come. This will be removed. This powered by Sankey, Survey Monkey and all will be removed. All this will go, right? That is a paid version part of it.
Okay, got it.
That we can go when we start making money, we will do all that.
Okay.
Sridhar sir, good morning. I have a question here.
Yeah, tell me.
Sorry, I have come a little bit late. Now I opened Survey Monkey. In that, like starting one, I have to click, or I have gone to the. Just a minute, I'll just tell you. Survey Monkey, I have created this thing, sir, and I logged in. After logged in, it asked me to create a survey. Right. I click the survey. Then start from scratch.
Start from scratch, correct.
Okay, start from scratch, and it asked the survey number. I entered this survey name, like property buyer.
Right. Okay.
Just a minute, sir. And community What survey category? What should I
Other.
select?
Put it as other.
Other. Okay.
Other, because we don't have real estate there, right?
Fine, sir. And then create survey.
Create survey. Yes.
Okay. Then I should start recommended questions, or what is that I need to start, sir? It is.
You have to start from scratch. You only have to type out the questions yourself.
Acha, enter your question.
You have to type the entire question. In fact, the beginning part of it, I'll just show you. You missed out.
Sir.
See, this is the design part. You can edit. Okay.
Acha. I need to go for a.
You can edit. See, now this. How did this name, city, zip, email address, phone number, and all come in a beautiful manner like this? Okay, it's a beautiful.
This it has not come to me.
It has not come to you because you have to select one particular contact information here in the multiple fields. Okay, here see, please fill up the following. There is one question box will come like this. Another here multiple choice by default will come. Okay.
Sir. Yeah, sir.
If you click the drop down option, you will get one contact information.
Drop down. Yes.
Put that contact information. All the fields. Besides this, there will be many other things which will come, like company, address to, state, country, and all these things will come. You can remove, uncheck all those things.
Enter answer choice or answer genius. Select type. It has come, sir.
Which one? Contact information you have put, no?
Contact information.
On the
no,
right,
I have not.
On the right side.
Drop down is there.
Drop down is there, right? A drop down, you click the drop down, you will get one contact information.
Yes.
Click that.
Yeah, I clicked it. Okay.
And it opens up, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
So there you have to uncheck company, address, and all that. If you don't want address, okay, you can remove that. You need only phone number and which city, which location he is from, email and phone number. We can have this and then see it here.
Company and all I can remove it. Whichever I don't want, I can remove
it. Whichever you don't want, you can remove it.
Oh, fantastic.
So now you see, only these many things are coming.
Yes, sir.
After this, you must have missed out one thing. After this, you have to go to new page.
Acha. After done.
If you go to new page only, your next question will come in the new page.
Acha, after filling this.
Otherwise, what will happen? Supposing you click this new question here.
Sir.
Then the question will come in this page only.
Okay.
Okay. So you should do it from here, second page.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear now?
Okay. Yes, sir. New page.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Fine.
Now we will sign out.
Sir, after this, hello. Next, if customers fill up the form, the summary, it will come in that line, no?
Yeah, you have to come back to SurveyMonkey. Okay. Then you collect responses is there, no? Here, collect responses is there. Here you open, you will get the response. Here responses is 0 now. Okay. Now here you will get the information. 2, 3, 4. You must have sent this link to 5 people, 10 people, 20 people, right? All that you will get it here. And if you click this, each one will open up. One by one, you can see. Okay.
In case now customer want to edit anything, what they filled up, that
they
can be edited.
They cannot edit. You can edit.
We can edit it. No?
Yeah, you can edit or ask him to fill up a new form. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, you can delete it. Basically, what you want is confirmation of brokerage. Why this is being made? For 2 reasons. One is you have to show professionalism, saying that this is a company. Okay, we have certain norms. So that is why I'm asking you to fill up. So he will appreciate that. That is one. Secondly, you are wanting is confirmation of brokerage.
Okay.
So that is what will come in the end. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Anybody is asking any question? Any more question on this? Actually, I think you have to remove your earphone and then talk, because we are not able to hear you. No, you have to remove the earphone. I'm not able to hear even one word. No, can't see. Can't see. Can you chat box? Can you chat it? There is a chat box available. There is a chat box available. You ask the question there. You asked, is it chat? Sir, could you please give some typical questions for sellers? Oh, okay. Okay, if I do that, I can do that. I can create one complete form for all of you. But shall I tell you or shall I create and show you? If I tell you it, so is it okay? Because I've got one more important topic to be discussed today. So shall I just tell you? Yes, no? Yes, okay. See, for sellers, what you have to ask, sir, what kind of property you would like to sell? Okay. Then next question is whether it is residential apartment, individual house, villa, or residential site, or what else? Agricultural land, commercial. So there are so many options which are there. You have to type out all those options, and then let him select any one of that. Okay. So if it is a residential apartment, he will select the residential apartment and click that. Okay. Next question is, what is the measurement of this property, right? Then you can give options: 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK, something like that. Those kind of things you can give options, or you can just leave it and put a text box there. Let him type out answers for that. Okay, because too many things you may have to write down. Right from 1 BHK, you have to keep on writing down. So instead of giving so many options, just keep one open text box. So let him fill up that part. Okay. The third one is what kind of questions have happened. Then let us see my question, what I have asked. No, but that I have asked for buyer. For seller, third question is, I think we have to apply mind. I think when we apply mind, and then we can start asking question. Okay, what I'll do is I will create one seller option and then send one sample to all of you. Okay, anyway, I have to prepare that. I'll send one sample to all of you. You go through that. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next point. Important one. So you have collected now property details, right? From many people, many portals and all that you have taken down. And some of them you have also started sending messages, and some of them have replied now. Okay, saying that, yes, what are your brokerage charges? Or they've said that, okay, I'm interested. Something like that, they would have given you replies. Yes or no? People have got responses or not?
Yes, sir. One is accepted at 3% of service charge.
3% accepted?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Fine. The one which you asked me, right?
Yes, yes.
Correct. Now this property now, you need to get photographs of that. So asking for photograph now.
He already shared the photograph, sir.
He has also shared the photograph? Okay.
Yes,
now what you need to do is, now you have to upload that into
okay.
I'll show you. I'm going to now give you options of, one is 99 acres. Okay. Then the next one is OLX. The third one is Remax is reality.in. Okay. These are the three websites that I'm going to give each one of you. Out of these three, sub-user of logging, you yourself can log into 99 acres and start posting the property. This is one option possible. Second one is remaxacereality.in is possible. But the OLX, you cannot log in and you cannot post it. This has to be posted by office only. So you have to send the details to Savita. Savita will then upload that information in OLX. Okay, so that you'll start getting buyer list from there. This 99 acres also is applicable only to people in Bangalore. Now, unfortunately, Mumbai and Goa people cannot enter in 99 acres because it will not accept. It is only made for, I have to take an all India package, only then I will be able to give it to all of you. Otherwise, it will be available only in Bangalore. So for Bangalore people, this will be useful. 99 acres will be useful. OLX also is the same condition. Okay. Remax AceReality.in website, anybody can do it. Okay. Anywhere in the country, everyone can use this Remax AceReality.in. So what am I going to do? I am going to give login details to all of you. I have already created for every one of you. Now, Remax AceReality.in is the website. First, I will show you the website. This is our website. Okay. Now, the whole of Bangalore,
Sir, one question. I got the property through 99 acres only. So if I post again in 99 acres using a sub-user.
No, it's okay. The same property, 10 brokers also will post.
Correct, sir. But this property was posted by owner, right? But if he comes to know that we are again posting the same his information in 99 acres,
nothing wrong in that. He will not, first of all, he will not ask you also. I mean, that is your way of doing it. Nobody will ask, and it is all allowed. In the industry, it is all allowed. The same property will be posted by 10 people. 10 different brokers will be posting that. Now, you are not the only person who is getting this property for selling. Another broker also would have posted it. But the buyers who are coming in the property portal, by chance, they see you and they contact you, that buyer becomes yours.
Correct, sir. But if the owner sees and if he calls.
So what? You tell him that I mean, we have taken packages in not only here, we have taken packages all over. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Not only 99 acres, you have taken Magic Bricks. You tell him, no, housing.com and all that. What is wrong? Right. We have taken packages everywhere, sir. We promote in this manner also, apart from our own network.
Okay.
But you never know, because our own network people also, buyer will come. What is the guarantee that he is going to buy? So we must have options to promote this everywhere.
Okay.
Nobody should stop. Okay. Nobody will stop also. Nobody will, I mean, the way you are thinking, nobody will ask you this question also. You just see, he will not even know that you posted it. Okay. He doesn't have time to see all that. Who has posted what and all those things. You put it in a different wording. Don't use the same wording of what he has used. You put it in different wording. You will not understand that. Okay.
Right, sir.
Okay. Now, whole of Bangalore, I have got 323 properties. 323 properties have already been uploaded. Okay. So now what happens is that now this is the website, our website. When an inquiry comes in, when you are talking over the phone, right? He's showing that.
See the screen,
sir, we cannot see that screen, sir.
We cannot see the screen. Huh? Okay. Now, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
now,
sir.
can you see?
Yes, yes. Now can see.
So now you see. First thing is I put location Bangalore, right? Just to show you how many properties in Bangalore we have got now. We have about 323 properties now. Can you see this number? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now what you need to do, supposing you get a call, right? You get a call from a buyer. I am looking for a property in Jayanagar, right? Then what you do is just go here, put Jayanagar. Okay. And then click search. Now you got Jayanagar, you got 26 results. 26 properties are available. In that also you want to know whether he wants it for rent or he wants it for sale. So for sale, let's put. Now 13 results are there. For sale is 13 properties are for sale available. Okay. Now you go further one more round. So whether he wants commercial or residential or what he wants. All the options are available here. Okay. Now I put any, so everything has come. Now let me put industrial, independent house. Now I got 4 results. Okay. Now what happens? Supposing somebody is asking you, right? Somebody is asking you for an independent house. One is you can see yourself by, if you are sitting in front of the computer, you do the searching, right? And ask, tell him that we have got so many properties available, right? The more properties we keep uploading here, the options will be very minor. So you can say that, in the whole of Bangalore, sir, please go and click Bangalore. If you see, we got now, by the time you start entering and all that, maybe in the next 1 month's time, we may even touch 500 properties. Okay. So you can very, very boldly say that we have 500 properties in Bangalore, sir. Not to worry. We can select any type of property that you are in need of. Right? And going to particular location, in that location, if you got about 26 properties, you can say we have got about 26 properties available. Even if he searches, right, he will get the same number. So there is nothing wrong. You are not telling any lies there. So this is this is more for our usage. When somebody is calling, you must definitely tell him that just please hold on, sir. I'm just looking at my website and I'm telling you how many properties are available. So you just put the location and see how many properties are available and tell him on the over the phone itself. I've got so many properties available for you. So that gives an impression in his mind that, my God, the data also he seems to be having wonderful. He has got a control of the data also. So all the data will be available. Now, I'll take one example of how it will appear like. Now let's say Kanakpura Road. I'm searching. Okay. And I've got a property here. 9 results are there. Okay. Now this property is the one which may be probably suitable for him. Now, if I click this, it opens up another page. And you see here, this is Chandrasekhar. Okay. Office number is my number. Mobile number is his number. WhatsApp number is his number. So whichever customer is seeing this particular customer or our agents, any other agent, they know that he is the person who is dealing with this property. So they will definitely call him. This number will be called. So this is how we should actually engage the customers and also our own agents. Our own agents means within our own office and also Remax office, other Remax office also. Okay. So now in this place, if you are posting a property, your photo will come, okay? Your number will come. So people will call you directly. Understood? Now let us do how we are going to enter that. remaxacereality.in/login. Okay, now here agents. Okay, now I'm going to see agents. I'm going to show you all that. Okay, see now Dilip is there, Manjunath, Sandeep, Mahesh M, Gautam Nayak, okay, Sudesh, Utpal, Yogesh, Prasad, Narayan, Gopinath, Ujjwal, Anand, Sandeep, Srinivas Murthy, Ritesh, Savita. So like this, many people are there. Now Ashley is the only person which I wanted to show as an example. So I'm going to now show how I'm using it. Add new. Okay, username is, I'm saying Ashley. Okay, his email ID will be ashley@remax.in. Firstly, Ashley, then Derek. Then here I'm changing the password. Okay. Here now, by default, something is there. I can change it. Okay. So I will change it and send it to him. Fine. Now this is strong. Now hide it. So I've already changed it. Then the role that I'm giving him is, I'm giving him as editor. Okay. Now add new user. So he has been added now. Okay. Now I have to add him also in the agent. Add new agent. Here, in this particular field, I can write a profile of that person. Ashley, if you can send the profile of yours, right? I can copy paste that and put it here. What are you? What is your background? Right? All that. So the customer, when he sees your photo, your name, and your profile, right? He will feel happy about it. So you can give your description about them for everybody. Every one of you, give me the profile, short profile of each one of you, so that I can put it here in this box, which is now currently empty. Okay. Now email address is, what is your mobile number, Ashley? Okay, no, you can't speak, so I'll take it from here only. So I have put his mobile number, WhatsApp number, then office number is 8015850. Then, you know, you got Facebook URL, Twitter URL, Google URL, all these things. If you have, you can give me all that. I can put it here. Okay. Then you come to the photograph part. Set featured photograph. Now already all of your photographs are here. You see, each one of you. You can see your photographs. Dilip, Manjunath, Sandeep, Mahesh, Gautam, Sudesh. Sudesh is cheating. You have given some 10 years old photo. Utpal also is cheating. Utpal has given some 20 years old photo. Okay. So this is Yogesh, Prasad, Narayan, Manjum, Gopi, Ujjwal. Ujjwal is there? Ujjwal, I'm not seeing him. Anand is here. Okay, so all of your photographs are here. So if you have better photograph than what you have, I can replace it. Okay. Now I'm going to add Ashley's photograph.
I will send my new photo.
Okay. Yeah. Ashley. I hope Ashley has sent photograph through this. Here it is. Ashley, did you send your photograph to me? Can you say yes, no in the chat box?
No, he has not yet sent.
He has not sent, no? Yeah, right. So that is why I'm not able to find his photo. If I get his photo, then I can put his photograph, and then now I cannot set. Okay. I have to close this. And here what I will do is I'll put, instead of this, I can put now this one. Set featured one, and then publish. So instead of his photograph, now Remax will come there on site. Once this photograph comes, I can replace it with this photo. And this description is required from each and every one of you. Okay. Now coming to how you are going to post the properties. Now here is a property detail. You click here, properties. All the properties are already entered here. Okay, with photographs, without photographs. Without photographs means we have to use this. Okay, but by and large, try to get photograph. If a photograph is not there, don't wait for the photograph to come. At least you enter the details of the properties, and then, you know, the owner's information and all, there is a way to maintain secrecy about it. So you have to maintain that. Can I take one example of one property? Gopinath, you tell me your property details, right? By here itself, I will keep adding that. Okay, I'll show you one. You have the property details with you now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, you just tell me whether it is 3 BHK property, 2 BHK property, what is that?
1 second, sir.
Got it? Taking time?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it's 4 BHK.
4 BHK. Okay.
Flat. And then individual house.
4 BHK, independent house. Okay.
600 square feet.
Okay. No, which location? Which location?
Individual house sale in Carepuram, sir.
Carepuram. Okay. Carepuram. So this is the title. 4 BHK independent house for sale in Carepuram. This is the title. Now here you give me complete details. 4 BHK, right? And then what is the square feet? How many square feet it has?
600 square feet, sir.
Huh?
600 square feet.
600.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, it's wrong. 600 square feet won't be there at all for 4 BHK.
It's, you know, include multiple
plot size, huh?
It's a ground plus
The
second.
plot size also you can't do 600 square feet.
How you can do 400, man?
Okay. I have photos. I can share it with you, sir.
Maybe 1600.
No. I'll just share it with you, sir.
So he has done it in 30. He has done it in 30-20, right?
Yes, sir.
30-20. 30-20.
The 30-20 also you can't do it, sir. I mean, 4 BHK.
No, he has done it. He has got the details. Let us go for the entry purpose. Now we will see. We'll correct it later on if something is wrong. Okay. Plot 30/20 SFT. Okay. Ground plus 3 floors. Okay. Then you got Gopinath.
Sir.
What is that? Ground plus 4 BHK, right? 4 BHK.
Sir, I shared you through WhatsApp. You can see that, sir. Photos.
Photos you shown. Okay. Photos you shown. What about details? Property details?
Property details. I have it with me, sir. I told you, no? Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'll just mention here.
You can see that, sir.
4 BHK. Then what else? What more details you can give?
4 BHK.
Located east facing, north facing, south facing, all that. Located in which place?
Located in Ayappa Nagar, sir, Carepuram.
Ayappa Nagar, Carepuram. Okay. For
yes,
what price?
Price is 70 lakhs, sir.
For rupees 70 lakhs. Okay. Actually, the price need not be put there, but I'm just showing there. So here you can put 70 lakhs here. 70. You can't put comma. Okay, comma means it won't take it. So 70 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then area is about 600 into 4, 2,400 square feet. Let's say about 2,000 square feet. Okay. Bedroom is 4. Bathroom should be 4. Right. Then
Yes, sir.
any car space is there? Car availability space is there?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So we'll not mention anything there. So we will leave it here, and then here you can give the this is office address, and you let it be. Then you come to basic. This is the basic information you have entered now. Now come to gallery images.
Yes, sir.
So gallery images. When I am doing this gallery with thumbnails, right? Add media. Okay. Now I am going to add. Now there is an option here. Media library means already uploaded photos will be here. If you want to upload new photo, I have to go here, then take it out. Now, whatever you have sent, I'm now going to upload that.
Okay.
Mr. Gopinath.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Share me the details. Share me details on my WhatsApp number. I'll give you my WhatsApp number. I got a buyer for this.
Okay.
Oh, wonderful. Very good. See, this is the power of,
networking.
You just put it in a group also.
Okay, sir.
So that the others also, if they have got buyers, they will also contact you. Okay.
He accepted to pay the service charge, sir, after 3 days follow-up.
Yes. He will definitely, because it is not easy to sell this property. Okay. Now I have to download this. 1. 2. 3. 4. Okay. I have now downloaded all that. So all that now will come here. Okay, so in that I will select this as featured one. Okay. This so add media, right? That has also come. Then you come to now what is that you are selling here? This is a this you can ignore. The right side of property features you can ignore. Then here commercial building. This is an independent house. So you have to select independent house. Okay. So then you come to location. Location is KR-Puram. KR-Puram is here. Okay, I put KR-Puram. Supposing your place is not available, your location is not available, especially Bombay and Goa people. What you should know, you should keep entering the new property city here. Add new property city, and it will you can add the new property name. Okay. So then it is for sale. Then you are now setting a featured image. I'm selecting one of that. This. So this will come as the heading. After all this is done, then you can publish. Okay. Now you want to see whether this has been published or not. Right? You go to Remax Ace Reality now. Website. Now you see, it's been published. Now, oh, I have not selected the agent still. I have to select it. Proper gallery is over. Floor plan. If you have a video, you can put video here. Now, agent information. Agent information is, I have to select Gopinath. Okay, here selected. Then, in this miscellaneous information which is there, okay, in this miscellaneous information, you can write, there is something called private note. This private note will not come in the website. So what you have to do here is owner name, okay, owner number, these details, and property posted on. Today's date is 15th May. Okay, owner name, what is the owner name?
The owner name is Sudhindra.
Sudhindra. Okay.
Yes.
Then
Yes,
you afterwards you mention the owner number here, and this will not be actually shown to anybody. Everybody, nobody can see this, excepting you and me. Excepting you and me, nobody can see this. Okay. You can update it now.
Right, sir.
Now you come here and see. Okay. Refresh it. Four BHK independent house. Click this. Now you see, this photograph has come. The details of the property has come. Now Manjunath's photo has come. Manjunath's number is there. Clear? Now Manjunath, you give a better picture of yours. I'll put a nice picture here. Okay. I think this is a painted one, no? Drawing, I think. Now when you, this photo also will keep moving on its own.
This is Gopinath or Manjunath?
Sorry, Gopinath. Gopinath's photo I need to change. Gopinath?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you are seeing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see in your website, in your phone also. When you go to remaxacereality.in website, okay, you can see this. You can see this property will be the first one now. So whoever is posting it, their properties will keep coming first.
Okay.
Okay, like this in the home page. Now Anand, Dilip, Mahesh, Chandrasekhar, all of you need not now depend on Savita for this. You can upload it yourself. Okay, I'm going to give you login details so that you will be able to log in your name, and you can see only your properties while uploading also. Properties of other properties you can see, but when you want to upload, you can upload, and it will come in the main website. Okay, proper for Goa and Mumbai people, you have to add your city and area also. Okay, for that, whenever you are filling up any details, at that time, if you have any doubt, you come in touch with me straight away through any desk. I will sort out your issue. One property uploading, you will have difficulty. First one. From the second one, I think you will start making it on your own. Okay, you got some idea about it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is Remax Ace Reality, which is my website. The next one is you have to actually see property should come in India website also. Remax.in. This is Remax.in.
So we have to put up separately in both the websites, right?
Exactly, because Remax Ace Reality is separate. 99 acres also will be separate. OLX also. OLX, of course, my staff will do that. But these two, you people only have to upload it.
Okay.
So Remax also is a separate website. Okay, for this, what you have to do, you have to come to Max Center here. This is Max Center.
What it is?
Max Center.
Max.
This will come. This has still not come to you. This will come to you after some time. See this Max Center app. Okay. Here, oh, this is Max Center is different. Sorry, one more is there. CRM. This Max Center also I will explain to you. In fact, Chetan will explain this in detail. Okay. So just have a look at this. Chetan will explain in his training program in detail. You understand from him about this. Here you got so many things. Zoom also is there here. So many design center and all is there. Design center, marketing tools. Okay, all this will come to you. Everything, in everything you can use it. All of you. Then the CRM part of it is this one. This is CRM. Okay. Here you can create lead. When lead comes, you can create. And when property posting has to be done, you have to go here and post property. Again, I have to log in. May 13th May, somebody has posted this. Smita Kumar, Remax, invest in real estate to get more benefit with less effort. Okay, so somebody or the other will keep on posting. Whoever is posting in India, you will get it in the, this is something like Facebook. Okay, but when you click this all properties, you will get an option here, create property. Okay. In this create property, you have to fill up all the details of the property. When it is done, automatically, it will come to this remax.in website. Here it will come. It will come here. And it will come first also. But supposing somebody selects the location, it will change. But otherwise, it will come. Okay. So that's all for today.
Sir, one question. What is the visibility of this Remax site and your site? Like
both are useful for our agents first.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. It is good for all the Remax agents and all the I mean entire world will know about it. Remax India, entire world will know. Remax Ace Reality, at least the entire country will know. Because they all know about my website. If they want to know something, whether I have property or not, they will come to my website and shortlist, select anything is there. First, they will see in the Remax India itself. If it is not available, they will come to my website and see. If it is then not available, then they will post it in the group.
Okay. And one more question. This OLX, posting properties on OLX for Goa and Mumbai, you are giving...
No. Goa and Mumbai, it is not there.
Not there.
For Bangalore, yeah.
Only for Bangalore.
Only for Bangalore. That package what they are giving is only for Bangalore.
Acha, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but these two basically we can add it when we get an email ID from your end.
Exactly. When that email ID ppatki@remax.in will come. Okay. When that comes, then you will be able to log. I mean, Remax Ace Reality, straight away you can log in. I can give you details by WhatsApp today. All that login details and all I'll give you. Straight away from today, you can start working on Remax Ace Reality.in, our website.
Okay.
That is my website.
Means Remax Ace Reality.
Ace Reality, yes. A Srirati is mine.
Okay.
India is India's.
India.
Okay.
That-
Hold on. That is not under my control. That is under the control of head office. Okay. And also there is one global Remax which is US based company.
Okay.
Chetan was telling, I'm not sure, I have not seen that. Chetan was saying that if you go to global also, the one which you are posting in that CRM will also go to global. Okay, I have seen one example. I've seen I'm surprised, but he says it will go there also. He said, but I'm not too sure. I have not checked that much.
Okay, we can post the property only after the agreement and the confirmation of brokerage from client, right?
Yeah, correct.
Means that is a buyer and seller survey, whatever it is, whether it is a buyer or a seller.
He has to agree.
He has to agree. So, there is one survey form which we are creating or which we are getting it confirmed from your end once it has been done. Secondly, he has to sign an agreement also.
No, agreement is that property registration form is there, right? In that one signature will be there. It is a one form. It is not entering into. There are not too much of text matters and all that. A simple agreement, simple property registration form will be there.
Yeah.
But when you meet him personally, you collect it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because there are two stages of taking his confirmation. One is from using the survey. Okay. The second one is when you are meeting him personally, you can take that signature.
Okay.
Okay. This what I am showing here is this is global.remax.com. Now in Tumkur, somebody has posted the property details. Okay. Very localized. Okay. But all that is available here in global website. But I am not able to see any other Bangalore properties here. If I put Bangalore here, I'm not getting it. Okay, if I put Mumbai, I'm not getting it. If I put Delhi, I'm not. Delhi is there. Delhi.
For three properties.
Delhi, but it says United America. Let's see. Okay. No, but this is
Ontario.
Ontario it is. Yes. Okay. Then India, you see, India will come. India will come. In India, these many properties are available. I do not know how Tumkur has come, but other things have not come.
Tumkur is basically South India.
Bangalore, very close to Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay. So fine. So then moving on closely to getting into business. Very, very slowly I will get to that. All that Gyan and all is over now. We have to now get into action. Okay.
Sir, one question.
Yeah.
Sir, in your OLX website, I can post my Bangalore property for sale.
Property, yeah, Bangalore property. You give me the details. I'll ask Savita to my staff. She will upload.
Okay. I have 2 plots there. 2 residential plots to be sold.
See, I'll show. I'm getting very good response from OL.
Sir,
Now unmute and speak. See, these are all responses. These are all responses from OLX. Okay, leads which we have got for independent house. Okay, sale. You see here. Hi, I can be reached at so and so. I'm interested in your property. Jairam. Okay, good morning. Let me know if it is still available. Hi, I'm Jairam. I can be reached at this number. I'm interested in your property. Good morning. Let me know if it is still available. If yes, send me for full details. Who is brother? I am Madam Sir. Please call me. This is Savita is replying. Okay. Who is brother? I am Madam. Okay. My apologies, Madam. No problem, sir. It's okay. So like that, we keep getting leads. Shah. Independent house, 1 crore. Okay. Khalil. Venkatesh Pujari. I can be reached. See the kind of leads that we are getting. Okay. Naveen. You see the date, you see 7/5, 8/5. Okay. Every day we are getting leads. 4 days ago. 2 days ago. Yesterday. 2 days ago. See the market, how it is. People are still wanting to buy. So inquiries are coming. Every day we are getting inquiries.
So one question.
So just want to say one thing about this OLX thing. I also post on OLX, paid post on OLX.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, they are charging some package of 1,500 for some 15 posts for a period of 1 month.
What I have done is I have taken some 30,000 rupees I have paid, and I can post 1,000 listings and for 1 year.
Okay. So yeah, whatever you showed just now. See what happens is these people keep on searching for properties on OLX.
Correct.
So moment somebody clicks on one property, that response comes in your chat box.
Huh.
So sometimes when I reply, they don't reply back also.
But they give you number, right?
That number is auto-generated because he has logged in OLX.
Okay. So the number comes to you.
Yeah.
The number comes to you, and when you speak to him?
No, when I speak to him, he says sometimes they show interest, but sometimes what they say is, no, I was just checking on OLX.
Yeah, that's okay. Fine. It doesn't matter. No problem. That even you will get in any other, in even 99 acres also it will happen. The moment you search, the number will go automatically. Utpal started getting calls now. Somebody called thinking that he is a buyer.
Yes, sir.
Got a call. He just searched. He didn't even, call somebody or something. He was searching for property and somebody immediately called him.
So number automatically goes to the...
Yeah. That is okay. Because those are, you can differentiate at least the numbers, whether he is serious. But somebody is searching means he has got some interest in that.
Yeah, that is a positive thing that people are still searching for properties.
Yes, correct. That's the thing. Okay, for the day. Then we'll meet again day after tomorrow. That is Monday. Monday we'll meet up.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I have sent my photo and my Bangalore property details.
Very good, very nice.
Yeah.
So how was today's session?
Yeah, learning some skills regarding that Survey Monkey.
When is this Remax training going to get over? How many more days?
I think 2 more days.
2 more days. Today and tomorrow.
Yeah, today and tomorrow maybe.
So, but starting they were saying 40 days training something.
No, 40 days is a calendar. 40-day calendar is day 1 what you should do, day 2 what you should do. There is a calendar which is available.
Yeah. That's a good one, sir.
That's a good one.
Very good one. I have seen that.
You've seen
but
that.
According to the now new situation, it should be changed somehow.
Yeah, but, other thing is that is okay for people who are not from real estate background. See, if you are totally fresh, then you need that 40-day training. Training means what? It is actually every day you have to do different things. That's about it.
Sir, I have my own website. That I can also post this.
No problem. You can.
And this link I can give.
This link, where how you will give?
For advertising marketing, my link, so that if anyone want to.
Yeah, go ahead. No
that's why we can do it.
No, it's
okay.
Okay then.
Yeah.
There's an app for this, or only through web link, Remax Reality, and Remax
only website. App, see, you can go to mobile and you can view in a mobile. It automatically get converted into mobile application part. Like it won't look like a desktop one, but it will be useful for you to upload information only by using laptop or computer. Because then in the mobile and all, it's going to be very tough. It's not an app; it's a website. Okay. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Great day.
योगेश जी, आज का सेशन कैसा लगा?
अच्छा सर,
दिन पर दिन कुछ ना कुछ सीख रहे हैं ना हम लोग?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Everybody is learning something every day. So now in future it will be more of skills, more of review meetings, and more of property specific, lead specific. How do we generate for your for your lead, for your property? How do we generate leads? That is what we are going to discuss more and more. ज्ञान इधर उधर आते रहेगा. Okay. So by and large, I think I have covered more or less. But this is what we are going to keep on doing day in and day out. So if you have a problem, it will be more of meeting. More of meeting. It is not training. It is meeting. Okay. Okay then. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.